Hey there, EO Southeast Virginia. Ethan King here with a tiny bit of prep work that I need you to do in advance of our workshop next week so that you can maximize and get massive value from the AI workshop. If you don't already have a ChatGPT account, please go get one right now. It's free to sign up at chat.openai.com, but I suggest that you go ahead and upgrade to the Plus version. It's only $20 a month, and the return on investment is tremendous. It's like having the smartest assistant at your fingertips at all times. You can either get the Plus version for $20 a month or the Teams version that has even more features, and you can have multiple instances that are personalized for different members of your team. It unlocks so many features, allows you to search the internet real time and create images with DALL-E. And a lot of the things we'll be using in our workshop need the Plus account. Then the first thing you want to do is create a new prompt in ChatGPT, and you're going to say, I'm going to feed you some excerpts from my writing and speaking, and I want you to analyze my writing and speaking style. Then I want you to craft a prompt for my custom instructions that will help you speak in my voice. Do you understand? And then ChatGPT will reply that yes, it understands. And then you're going to copy and paste and feed it examples of your speaking and of your writing. Maybe you've written articles on LinkedIn or articles on your blog, on your website, or even from social media where you can copy and paste. The key is to just get your voice down. It doesn't really matter so much about the content itself. Now you can choose to speak from your brand voice, like from your company brand voice, or from your own personal voice, or for some people it may be the same. And then after that, after you feed it the examples, then say, write the custom instructions for ChatGPT to emulate my speaking style. Whatever prompt it gives you, copy it to your clipboard, and then go down to your corner of your screen of your ChatGPT and click on your name, click on Customize ChatGPT. And then in that bottom box where it says, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Say, respond in my voice based on this description, and then paste that description into that bottom box. Then in the top box, you're going to tell it about yourself, where it says, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? You're going to say, my name is so-and-so. I'm the CEO of so-and-so. My company does X. Our 3 unique value propositions are this. Our mission is this. And then even consider sprinkling in some personal elements, like things that you enjoy, your hobbies, and what some of your personal goals are. And by doing this, when you will really tailor ChatGPT to know about you and to sound like you, so that when your outputs will not sound like they're AI generated, but they will sound like they are 100% human generated, like they came out of your voice. So please go ahead, take 10 minutes to do this. It's actually a lot of fun, and you will get maximum value from our AI workshop next week. See you guys on Tuesday.